Hey guys, beep beep will unbox. Mm-mm. Bogey will unbox. Bingo will unbox.
Okay, let's go.
This is our PG1 accessories. Oh, let's open this in random order. Oh, so this is the Yamaha PG1 horn cover in black colorway. This horn cover comes in 5 different colors: yellow, red, blue, silver, and black. And I chose this one, the black one. This is the kickstand supports. It also comes in different color: metallic red, metallic silver, and I chose black as well. So this one is the seat cover, the black one. So my plan is to make the PG1 a solo bike. So I'll remove the pylon seats and I'll replace that with a rack. So, and cover the brown one and turn it into this black, made in Japan, they said. It's this one. Oh, this is the lamp grill. So this design, it comes in 3 different style. They have the X, they have the square, and this I like, the chicken wire, chicken fence. Okay. And what is this one, the biggest one? Let's open from below. So these are Yamaha genuine parts and accessories. So I ordered this directly from Yamaha. So this one is the handguard kit. So you will install this onto the handbar. Okay, original accessories, and of course the hand cover. This hand cover, if you want to install this, you cannot just get this as you like. For you to be able to use this, you need to buy this first. So it comes separately. You can order this from Yamaha and get OEM handguard, or you get the original guard kit and the original handguard as well. Because I doubt if you can install this in other OEM brand. So I'd rather purchase the original guard kit and the handguard. And there are more to come. We have the rear rack, center rack, and the top clamp rack, I think, and then the skid guard. So there are like 4 or 5 more. We will expect to get those within the week. So that's it. We have the again guard kit, hand guards, upholstery, seat cover, horn cover, kickstand support, and Tim Tam. Hey guys, another unboxing video. These are accessories for the Yamaha PG1. No bum. Check. No bum. Oh, this is the Mototech quick lock to hold your mobile phone securely. This is actually a model copy of the Quad Lock. The Quad Lock, very famous. This one. No bum, no bum. Check. No bum. Oh, this is a Yamaha original mark to hold your motorcycle registration. And this one, you check. No bump? No bump! Right. So these are the original Yamaha rack. This is the on top lamp rock in front, and the other one is the trellis. The trellis and the skid guard. So this is the trellis and the skid guard. So I'll unpack it like that. Okay, it's complete. So this is the skid guard Yeah, this is the skid guard. Yamaha. And of course, that is the trellis. Oh, this is the front lamp grill, the rack. Oh, this kind of big. This one is Yamaha. So these are original accessories. Okay, looks good. I think this is good because this is kind of heavy. It'll add some weight in front of the motorcycle. And yeah, I'm excited to install these all. Right, so that's all for today. Our accessories are almost complete. Now we have our Mototech mobile phone holder. Okay, the technology is just the same as the quad lock, although the quad lock is way more expensive. We have the lamp rack, we have the trellis, the skid guard. Of course, we have the lamp grill, Yamaha. We have the hand guard. We have the the hand guard kit, the cover, upholstery, and more. So maybe in 2 to 3 days, our accessories will be complete, and we're going to install it as soon as we get everything ready. Approved? Bye-bye. 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 Hey guys, Josh here. Today we are going to unbox the last installment of the all-new Yamaha PG1 accessories. So this is the last box that we're going to open. So all in all, it came in 3 batches from different shops because the Yamaha license shop didn't have everything available, so we have to buy from other shops, but still genuine parts. So this is our center rack. This is the center rack. Not that heavy, it's good. We also have our, we got free decals, free stickers from Sagobi, Japan. This is our rear rack, and for us to install this, we have to remove the pylon. We have to remove the back ride seat. So once we installed it, the PG1 will become a solo bike. If we have time today, we are going to install everything. But I think we need maybe 2-3 hours to install everything, because I still need to study how to. But yeah, if we have time, we're going to do it today. So yeah, that's it. We've got everything ready, and all we have to do is to find some time to get this all done. Peace.